Welcome to Silly Zombie Combat, where you and your robot friend slash through waves of zombies. Bouncing bullets, exploding zombies and permadeath are some of the core features to date, but there's more to come. This is Devlog number 9 for a mobile chaotic zombie shooter. If you like Rambo, Serious Sam, Splatoon, Braindead or any other zombie movie and BattleBots from the early 2000s, then stay tuned for this devlog. We finally have a working prototype with a somewhat working progression system and a unique robot assign system. Now, the robots have become a bit more of a prominent role since the last devlog, and I really wanted to make the robot a bit more of a centerpiece, almost like your sidekick for this zombie adventure. So I spent a lot of time working on how can we assign specific robots with kind of like a fun randomness on their name and description. So every time you have a new run, you have a unique name, a unique robot, and also a bit of a funny description. So I spent a lot of time trying to get it to work, to have some kind of Hall of Fame. Once you complete the run, that you save the robot with the kill stats, the unique name and description of those things, to always have something that you remember from this run. I also finally got the progression system to work, so when you stop the game after you've been successful, you can always come back and pick up at the same level index that you had saved. So that's working. You can start a new run or quit. And I also probably should mention that now the permadeath is a bit more of a thing. So you have a one run with your robot. If you die, you reset, you go all over again. Each level or each stage, I guess, you increase the number of enemies spawned. You will eventually have more zombies, as you would expect, but also different ones. So I now have added the exploding ones that seem to have received a bit of positive feedback from the Brackies game jam. In the future, there will also be stuff that you have seen maybe in prior devlogs, like the wrecking ball and the chainsaw, which might become almost like level-specific hazards that you can use to kill these zombies and also compensate for the massive influx of zombies. What else did I do? A bunch of work on normal maps, so I included a lot of work on the lighting and the effects. I reintroduced some of the explosion effects, bunch of update obviously from the UI. It looks cleaner and more nice, I guess. What else did I do on the list? Probably a bunch of bug fixing that no one will ever notice, but yeah, I feel happy about it. It's finally something of a playable state. There's tons of stuff to do that I'm not going to reveal. The only thing I just want to plug shamelessly is the Discord channel, because it's very lonely in there. There's like 3 people, including myself, so give it a try. Speak to you soon. More to come. Bye.